Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I have a quick video on this item right here. This is a Roomba, and I know that some of you may have some of these Roombas. This light was red, and it's because the bag inside was full and it says that it needs to replace it. But I'm going to show you a quick trick where you don't need to replace that bag. First of all, what you do is you open your Roomba, and this may apply to other models as well, and you take out the bag, right? And the bag will be full. You'll know because you'll see all the contents in there, right? So the trick that I came up with to try to save a few dollars and not having to buy the whole bag, if you look at the bag itself, this is the bag right here, and it'll be full. So what I came up with, in order to reuse this bag and not have to buy another one, is, I'll show you real quick. Let me just put this camera down and put it into position so you can see what hack I came up with. I have my shop vac right here, as you can see. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shop vac and I'm going to take the nozzle itself, and I am going to plug it in or hold it up to this end and suck out the dirt, emptying the bag. Now, mind you, the vacuum itself, the Roomba, requires you to purchase one of these. Let me just get some light here so you can see, get a little more brightness in here, and you can see what I'm about to do. Let's see. Bear me 1 second. There we go. That should put a little more light on the situation. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shop vac and I'm going to turn it on. If you have headphones, I will turn them off in case it's a lot of noise. And then I'm just going to plug it in here, hold it on, and this is what I did to empty this. You shake it up. You shake it up. As you can see, it's pulling out whatever debris and dirt and dust is in there, and you continue to do this until it's completely empty. Now, understand, look at all that. Understand that you have to shake it around and feel inside of it to ensure that you're getting all the dust out. At some point, you're gonna have to replace this bag, but if you can use it a few times before you do need to replace it, save you a couple of dollars, that might work for you. So, I guess eventually they degrade and maybe the dust starts seeping out because this is actually a bag in layers. So it's also you know, you can actually help it. As you can see, this is mostly hair. So I'm going to turn the vacuum back on. what you want to do is you want to go in there, make sure that you see it's pretty much empty, as you can see. I'm stirring it around to get some of the debris, some of the leftover. There's still some dust and there's some particles in there. Make sure that you can actually remove this tab and you know, so you can work with it. You can do that, and then makes it easier to work. So let's finish the job. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, we want to put this right back. You could just slide it in like so, or you could snap it back like so. Well, as you can see, it went from a full back to, and the way the iRobot Roomba works is, and I'm guessing any of these vacuums, I think they're probably all maybe manufactured the same in China and then different branded. What it does is it goes around, does the vacuum, then it connects back to the dock, and then it blows all of the contents of the tray that it has built in, and it pushes it in here. Then it has a sensor inside of the dock, or the docking station, where it detects that this is full, and then it won't vacuum until it detects that the bag is empty. And then that red light is gonna go off, indicating that the vacuum is good to go. Anyway, if you have any questions, any comments or suggestions, like and subscribe. Like I said, this is just a quick fix, a hack. You want to save a few dollars while you get the new bags. But hey, it worked for me, and it was just a thought that I wanted to share with you guys, and that's what this channel is about. All right, guys, have a great day. Like and subscribe.